Morning guys, this is Inday Garotay Vlogs. May challenge po akong gagawin ngayon. Tasa. Isang itlog. Inumin ko to. Walang loto. Guys.
Oh, you've got some cat scratch fever. Okay, it's nice we're finding familiar faces. But remember, we need to find that key. Found it.
Salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sana magustuhan niyo po ang aking video. At ibang challenge pa na gagawin ko. Kung gusto niyo po magpagawa ng challenge sa akin, kakayanin ko. Thank you guys.
Oh, delicious broccoli.
Lami!